हेलो एंड वेलकम टू योर फेवरेट पॉडकास्ट चैनल नॉलेज हब। और आप सुन रहे हैं आपका फेवरेट पॉडकास्ट चैनल इंग्लिश लर्निंग विद फन, लर्निंग विद लिसनिंग। सो लेट्स बिगिन इन टुडेज पॉडकास्ट। वी आर गोइंग टू learn some important beautiful sentences. So let's begin. A list of things in normal English and advanced English. Let's make things more interesting. इसको एडवांस इंग्लिश में क्या कहेंगे? Let's spice things up. Let's make things more exciting. इसको नॉर्मल इंग्लिश में है, एडवांस इंग्लिश में कहेंगे Let's spice things up. It's not difficult to do. एडवांस इंग्लिश में इसको कहेंगे It's not rocket science. It's not that difficult to do. ये हो गया नॉर्मल इंग्लिश। एडवांस इंग्लिश में कहेंगे It's not a rocket science. नॉर्मल इंग्लिश में कहेंगे I had a quiet weekend. एडवांस इंग्लिश में I had a low-key weekend. I had a low-key weekend. She forced me to leave the room. इसको एडवांस इंग्लिश में कहेंगे She kicked me out of the room. She kicked me out of the room. नॉर्मल इंग्लिश में कहें I don't believe this story. एडवांस इंग्लिश में इसको कहेंगे I don't buy this story. I don't buy this story. Can we start? नॉर्मल इंग्लिश में कहेंगे, एडवांस इंग्लिश में इसको कैसे कहेंगे Can we get started? Can we start? Can we get started? दोनों सही है, एक नॉर्मल इंग्लिश में है, एक एडवांस इंग्लिश में है, जो आजकल ज़्यादा यूज़ होता है। और नेक्स्ट चलते हैं। नेक्स्ट सेक्शन में बोथ, ईदर और नीदर का मतलब क्या होता है। बोथ, BOTH, बोथ इंडिकेट्स टू आउट ऑफ ए ग्रुप ऑफ टू, एंड ईदर indicates one out of a group of two, and neither indicates zero out of a group of two. For example, I take both raincoat and umbrella during the monsoon. Would you like a tea or coffee? ये इधर का एग्जाम्पल हो गया। नीदर में would like a glass of wine or beer. Neither, I don't drink. Next, can you find the difference between find and search? Find means to discover, to understand, feel or become aware of something. In case of find, you are not looking for a missing thing or trying to get to something you have lost. Search means to look for something thoroughly in a place. Search is used when you are trying to look for something that is missing or lost. This is the basic difference between find and search. Can I? May I? What is the difference between them? Can is basically used to describe physical or mental ability. Like, can you do the international dance form? May is used when requiring permission or state possibility. May I go to the birthday party tonight? So this is the basic difference between can I and may I. What is difference between versus among? Between is used when we refer to things that have separate identity, and among to talk about stuff that is not clearly separated or belongs to a part of group or crowd. Among is used to describe undefined relationships or collective relations. It is used to show that something is a part of something or surrounded by something. Very and to, TOO के बीच क्या डिफरेंस है? Very has a positive or negative meaning. It comes after the indefinite article a. जबकि to is generally used to indicate something very negative. ठीक है? For and since में क्या डिफरेंस है? For plus a length of time. Since plus a point in the time past. For 5 years, for an hour, for a long time. Since 10 PM, since एक definite time के लिए और for indefinite time के लिए यूज़ होता है। कुछ sentences हम बहुत गलत बोलते हैं, like I have good relations with my father. I have good relations with my father, ये बिल्कुल गलत sentence है। I have good relationship with my father. This is the correct one. I usually eat breakfast at 9 a.m. I usually have breakfast at 9 a.m. This is the correct. Not eat breakfast. It's have breakfast. Okay. So, what is the difference between raise and rise? Raise must have an object, as it is a transitive verb. It is a regular verb. Its three forms are raise, raised, raised. In other words, something raises something else. While in case of rise, rise does not take an object. It's an intransitive verb. It's an irregular verb. Its three forms are rise, rose, risen. We use the verb rise when something moves upward by itself. So, this is the difference. And now, what is the difference between make and do? We use make in a situation where we are creating something, while in case of do, we use do in a situation where we are executing something that is planned or has already been created. Like, for example, make coffee, make an appointment. आप कॉफ़ी बनाने जा रहे हैं. Make coffee, make an appointment, make a dinner, make a mistake, make a suggestion, make a phone call, make a booking, make a proposal. Do your homework, do the dishes, do a dance, do your job, do a task, do exercise, do your hair, do an exam. Friends, I hope you like this podcast. Please do share, follow me. You can subscribe my YouTube channel Knowledge Hub 101 for more informative podcast. Please press the bell icon in my YouTube channel, that is Knowledge Hub 101. I'll be back soon with another informative podcast on English language. So in today's podcast I'll wind up, but I request my viewers to please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe my channel. If you like it, please give a thumbs up. If you don't like, please give a thumbs down. But do subscribe my channel for many informative podcasts. So don't miss them. Press the bell icon. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Keep smiling. Keep studying. Smile.